Hello fellow KooBineers, welcome to KooBits, the best place for practicing math. In here, I will tell you how to log in, change your password, and what to do in your first experience with KooBits. Before you log in, you must find your browser first. In your browser, type the address problemsums.koobits.com in the address bar, and you will see this login page. In here, you will see two rows or two boxes that require your login ID and password. Fill it with the login ID and password given by your teacher before. Once you log in, you will see this page. Looks so fun, right? So what you can do in here, first you must find the profile logo on the top right corner. And then you must find the menu Change Password. Changing your password is very important because it's like the key to your house. You won't let strangers get into your house, right? So type in your old password and then your new password twice in the two boxes below. Make sure you or your parents know the new password. If you forget, you can ask your teacher to help you reset. Okay, so what we can do first is go to Daily Challenge. You must choose whether you are a boy or a girl, and then click Next. After that, make sure you choose the level Novice and click Confirm. Okay, inside Daily Challenge, you will see 10 questions every day. These questions are very nice because it can give you points called CP or challenge points. This CP will get you to play in the leaderboard. It's up here. So what you can do is go to Hero of the Day and find your name amongst all the other participants all over Indonesia. Imagine how proud you and your parents will be when you can see your name over here. Must be fun. So you can search and find the number of CPs you have gathered over time over here. Okay, I'll just let you have fun and see what you can do in the next few days, okay? In next sessions, I will teach you about what you can do with other features. Have fun!